Hello everyone, welcome to Apollo 24/7's YouTube channel. On the occasion of Children's Day, we have Dr. S.V.S. Sridhar who will share some tips for kids and their parents.
Happy Children's Day, all of you. So I am very happy to say this one, especially this year, because of pandemic year, everybody got scared to celebrate all the things, and the schools are completely closed in the last year. But this year, at least schools are open, they are going, at least they are celebrating. So for that one, I just want to tell you some important points, because I am a pediatrician, I'm a pediatric consultant. So that's why I just tell you the do's and don'ts, especially in the during this pandemic year. So do's means you have to happily spend time with the peer group, and please share with the things, because of you never met with your colleagues and peer groups and some friends for the last year. At least now schools open, at least spend the time with them. And if you spend the time with the peer group, they'll get emotional things, bonding, and they'll be very happy. So and you have to give good amount of liquids, and you have to maintain that social distancing, all the things everybody knows that one, that they are doing. But you have to reduce the screen time in pandemic time. And nutritional wise, you should not eat more food, and you please control that one. And some kids are suffering from constipation also, because if they are not eating much, they are not drinking water at all. So they are getting that problem. Usually they'll get stomach pain, they are not eating. So like picky eaters or something, especially they'll eat some food only. If they like, they'll eat, otherwise they are not eating. So for that patient, they are not doing any physical exercise, they are getting constipation, stomach pain, all the issues. Please avoid those things. You need to maintain hydration, at least 1 glass of juice, fruit juice, at least 1 fruit at a day. So that you can maintain, and reduce the screen time. So everybody is at minimum 5 hours of school period is there. Please reduce the screen time. After 5 hours or 4 hours, in between that also you can give 10 minutes break. You can just come out in the balcony, wherever. You have to see the long distance, at least some distance, means more than everybody. If you come out see the half kilometer distance, then eyes, even strain also will reduce. They are getting more so eyesight is also increasing a lot. They are getting more headaches and psychological issues also. They are getting temper tantrums. They are more hyperactive nowadays. If you are not giving anything, they are doing, that means it's temper tantrums. They're banging and they're destroying everything. So you need to maintain that during, especially this pandemic time, psychological issues. You need to concentrate on that. Encourage him. Don't scold them. Don't hit them. That is most important. They are already suffering. So that's why parents, please encourage them to sit. Okay, this is a process. If you see more screen time, you will only get headache. You are only getting all these issues. So please spend time with your brother or sister or mothers or grandparents, and this screen time also, and nutritional wise also, and physical exercise, at least lifestyle modification. These are all 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening. You need to do some yoga exercise or some exercises, basic exercises. You have to do it. And personal hygiene is also important. Every day you have to take bath, and sitting in the classes with a tie and take bath and everything. You need to think that yes, I'm in the school, like that.
For consulting any Apollo expert, buying medicines online, you can download Apollo 24/7 app now. And for more such health tips, like, share and subscribe to our channel.